The Goa Pradesh Congress Committee wishes the people of Goa a very happy Diwali.
If the debate happens. Informed Mr. Nilesh Kabral 5 days ago that I will be landing in Goa on the 17th in the afternoon by 2 o'clock. He had challenged the Kejriwal model of election and he had said that he wishes to have a public debate on this issue. I accepted the challenge and I said, as a part of the administration of Delhi, as a part of Delhi government, as an MLA, I am coming to Goa to have this debate with you. Now what one is seeing lately is that he is running away from this debate. He is chickening out. He is shying away. It will only be in the interest of democracy and in the interest of people of Goa if a debate like this happens, where people can understand the merits and demerits of both the models, the Kejriwal model of electricity and the BJP model of electricity. Now I am given to understand that the BJP High Command has reprimanded the Goa leadership, has scolded the Chief Minister of Goa and asked him to not indulge in any such public debate. Now imagine a Chief Minister who cannot even participate in a simple debate or let his minister participate in a simple public debate without the permission of the High Command of BJP. Can he govern Goa? Can he fearlessly work for the people of Goa, for the benefit of Goa? The answer is no. This is not about Mr. Kabral or I. It is about the people of Goa. It is about the right of people of Goa to get free electricity. It is about the right of people of Goa to get 24/7 electricity. And I really hope that a public debate happens. And Mr. Kabral, through you, I wish to inform him that I have landed in Goa. I am at the Goa airport with all Aam Aadmi Party supporters and workers and volunteers, and I will await your directions to conduct this debate, to participate in this debate. I really hope that a panel discussion or a debate happens on the issue of electricity and the people can then decipher as to which model is better. I look forward to Mr. Kabral's reward. Thank you. Only to have this public debate with him. He had challenged me. He had challenged the Aam Aadmi Party and he said that the Kejriwal model of electricity is not that good and his BJP model of electricity is very good. So I said, fine, you are inviting me for a public debate, I will come. He even went to the extent of saying, Mr. Kabral, the Goa Power Minister, said that he is so eager to have this public debate that he is willing to bear the expenses of anybody who wishes to come from Delhi. His air travel as well as boarding and lodging. I have come to Goa at my own expense. I am not even asking him to bear the expenses. All I am asking him now is to come through on his challenge and let this debate happen in the interest of democracy, in the interest of people of Goa. Let me have the opportunity of requesting Mr. Kabral to first come and debate with me. On all other issues, I can certainly revert in a greater detail at the press conference. But he must not shy away. What are these protocol excuses? What is this protocol excuse? Now tomorrow he can say, I won't debate with somebody who's younger to me. I won't debate with somebody who's wearing a white shirt or a blue shirt. These are nothing but excuses. He is elected by the people. I am elected by the people. I will talk about Kejriwal model of electricity. He can talk about BJP's model of electricity. But the real issue is, the truth is, that he has been and his party has been reprimanded by BJP High Command. And if they cannot participate in a public debate for benefit of Goa without permission of High Command, can they fearlessly govern for the interest and for the benefit of people of Goa? The answer is no.
The Goa Pradesh Congress Committee wishes the people of Goa a very happy Diwali.